Want to add some personality to your Google Vid with background music? Want to change out a track or adjust it? Add or edit music easily in Google Vids. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to add music in Vids. Let's get started. Click on the beginning of a scene where you want to add music. On the right side, click Stock Media and select Music in the drop-down menu. You can then search and filter from there and even preview a track. Once you've found one you like, add it to your vid in one click. You can adjust the volume and fades by right-clicking on the track and opening the sound settings. So there you have it. Add background music to your vids in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the comments below. Follow Google Workspace for more tips just like this.